Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to extend a video in Higgsfield AI. So this is useful when you want to continue a clip while keeping a similar style, movement, and then camera angle. So first, open up the Higgsfield AI website, sign in, and select the video section from the main menu. So for this tutorial, we'll assume that you already have a video in your history and find the clip that you want to extend. So click the three dots beside it and select reuse. Next, go to the prompt box and describe what you want to happen in the next part. So for example, you can enter the person continues walking forward while the camera slowly follows. After that, choose a model, then set the duration and quality. If you are unsure, you can use the recommended option. However, make sure you have enough credits to create the changes that you want. So once everything is ready, click generate and wait for the results. Play the video and check if the new part connects smoothly with the original. And if something looks wrong, adjust the prompt and generate it again. So for better results, keep the character, location, and lighting consistent. So thank you so much for watching. That is all for today. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I will see you on the next video.